hear your name, dancing through the desert wind like a whispered flame. Your eyes hold secrets of 1,000 nights in this ancient city bathed in golden lights. Every step I take brings me closer to you. Through the marketplace, following what's true. Habibi, you're my destiny, written in the stars for eternity. Through the sand and endless sea, you're the only one for me. Habibi, can't you see, this love was always meant to be. Silk and spices fill the air, but I want more. Your touch is treasure I've been searching for, like a prayer that echoes through the minaret. You're a promise that I'll never forget. Every breath I take calls out your name. In this timeless place, nothing feels the same. Habibi, you're my destiny, written in the stars for eternity. Through the sand and endless sea, you're the only one for me. Habibi, can't you see, this love was always meant to be. Transcend all time.